Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create an account on Wikipedia. First of all, go to your web browser and search for wikipedia.com and click on the first link. Once you click on the link, this interface will appear where the Wikipedia will be open. From here, what you can do is go back and download Wikipedia for Android. Or the other thing you can do is go to your Play Store and search for Wikipedia and just install it. It will take some while to be installed. Once the Wikipedia is installed, click on open. Once you click on open, this interface will appear. Click on skip and just you're logged into your Wikipedia, and you can go to the search button and easily search for Wikipedia or stuff like that. Click on more, that is appearing at the bottom right, and click on join Wikipedia at the top. Once you click on that, this interface will appear where it will be opened as create an account. Click on username and select a username. Make sure that your username is available. Once you do that, select a password, repeat the password again. Email is optional, so I'm not giving my email yet. Click on next, click on continue without email, or you can just add up your email. I recommend you to add up your email. Click on create account, continue without email, and once you do that, your account will be created. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.